what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily be QuickBooks Certified. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Thinking of boosting your accounting game? Want to stand out in the world of finance? Getting QuickBooks Certified in 2025 could be your smartest career move yet. And I'm here to show you exactly how to do it. Start by choosing the certification that fits your goals. There are two main tracks: QuickBooks Online Certification, perfect if you work in the cloud, or QuickBooks Desktop Certification for traditional installed software users. Next, join the QuickBooks ProAdvisor program. It's free for QuickBooks Online users. You'll get access to in depth training modules, practice tests, and even the official certification exam. Take time to study. Learn how to manage accounts, send invoices, run payroll, and generate reports. The lessons are broken into bite sized chapters, easy to follow at your own pace. Ready? Take the certification exam online. It's multiple choice and totally free. Score 80% or higher to pass. And if you don't get it the first time, don't worry. You get it up to 3 tries. Once you pass, you'll get an official QuickBooks certified badge and certificate. Add it to your resume, LinkedIn profile, or website. It's a major trust booster. And that's it. QuickBooks certification made simple. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!